Pickup truck. A pickup truck is one of the most common types seen in everyday life, especially in countries like the United States. It has an open cargo bed at the back, which makes it useful for carrying tools, furniture, or even small machines. Originally designed for farm and utility work, it has now become a personal vehicle as well, often used for both work and daily driving. Its flexibility and simple design are what make it so widely popular. Box truck. A box truck is built with a large, enclosed rectangular cargo area that sits directly on the chassis. This design protects goods from weather and theft, which is why it is commonly used for moving houses or delivering furniture and appliances. Unlike pickup trucks, everything carried inside is sealed within the box, making it ideal for transporting fragile or valuable items over long distances. Flatbed truck. A flatbed truck features a completely open and flat cargo area without sides or a roof. This makes loading and unloading much easier, especially for oversized items like construction materials, heavy machinery, or large containers. Because there are no walls, cargo must be secured carefully using straps or chains. Its design focuses entirely on flexibility and the ability to carry items of unusual shapes. Semi-truck. A semi-truck, also known as a tractor trailer, is one of the largest and most powerful trucks on the road. It consists of two main parts: the tractor, which is the front engine unit, and the trailer, which carries the cargo. This separation allows different trailers to be attached depending on the job. Semi-trucks are essential for long-distance transportation, moving goods across cities, states, and even countries. Dump truck. A dump truck is specially designed for construction and mining work. It has a large open box at the back that can be tilted to unload materials like sand, gravel, or dirt. The hydraulic system that lifts the bed allows for quick and efficient unloading without manual effort. This makes it an important vehicle for large-scale building projects and road work. Tow truck. A tow truck is used to move disabled or illegally parked vehicles. It comes with different mechanisms, such as hooks, chains, or flatbeds, depending on how the vehicle needs to be lifted. You often see tow trucks on highways or in cities, helping clear accidents or transport broken cars to repair shops. Their role is more about assistance and recovery than carrying goods. Tanker truck. A tanker truck is built to transport liquids or gases, such as fuel, milk, water, or chemicals. It has a large cylindrical tank mounted on its frame, designed to keep the contents stable during movement. Safety is very important here, especially when carrying flammable or hazardous materials. These trucks play a key role in supplying essential resources to industries and cities. Refrigerated truck. A refrigerated truck, often called a reefer, is used to transport perishable goods like food, medicine, and flowers. It has a cooling system built into the cargo area to maintain a specific temperature throughout the journey. This allows products to stay fresh even when traveling long distances. Without these trucks, modern food supply chains would not function properly. Garbage truck. A garbage truck is designed for collecting and transporting waste from homes and businesses. It often includes a compacting system that compresses trash to make more space inside the truck. Different designs exist depending on how the waste is collected, but all focus on efficiency and hygiene. These trucks are a vital part of keeping cities clean and organized. Fire truck. A fire truck is an emergency vehicle equipped with tools needed to fight fires and rescue people. It carries water hoses, ladders, and various safety equipment. Some fire trucks are designed for urban areas with tall ladders, while others are built for rough terrain. Their design is focused on speed, reliability, and the ability to respond quickly in dangerous situations. Concrete mixer truck. A concrete mixer truck carries ready-to-use concrete to construction sites. It has a large rotating drum that keeps the mixture moving so it does not harden before use. This allows builders to pour fresh concrete exactly where it is needed. The timing and movement of these trucks are critical in construction, as concrete must be used before it sets. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more explained content.